Hello, my name is Alay Rodriguez, FAE for IAN. Today, we'll talk about one of our solutions for connectors with Amphenol ICC. This time, we'll cover the Griplet family. The Griplet is a solution designed to improve assembly time and cost in cases where a cable needs to be connected directly to the PCB. It has 4 points of contact to provide a robust connection capable of supporting vibrations. It supports different wire sizes from 16 up to 38 Wg and currents up to 15 amps. The demo kit will allow us to review the physical characteristics of the connector. With the manual tool that is provided, we can evaluate the robustness of the connections, and we can see how easy it is to perform the connections. The griplet can be sold individually or in strips, for cases when we need to use more than one connection. If you like this connector and want to learn more about these solutions, send us an email and we will be happy to help you. Follow us on our social networks for more information about our connectors. Thank you.